Today we are going to discuss the poem To a Skylark written by Percy B. Shelley. To a Skylark is a poem completed by Percy B. Shelley in late June 1820 and published accompanying his lyrical drama Prometheus Unbound by Charles and James Collier in London. It was inspired by an evening walk in the country near Livorno, Italy, with his wife Mary Shelley, and describes the appearance and song of a skylark they come upon. The poem begins with a description of the skylark high above in the sky. The bird is characterized as a spirit. Its song is described as unpremeditated art. The skylark is able to sing when it ascends overhead. Its flight is compared to a cloud of fire. It soars across the descending sun like an unbodied joy. It flies in the purple evening like a star of heaven. It cannot be seen, but its song can be distinctly heard. Let us see some of the important questions on Percy B. Shelley's To a Skylark. First question, when did the poem To a Skylark was published? 1820. Next question, when and where the poem To a Skylark was published? The answer is in London in 1820. Next question, To a Skylark is dash. The answer is ode. Next question, what is the theme of the poem To a Skylark? The theme of the poem is freedom and natural beauty. Next question, how many stanzas are there in the poem To a Skylark? The answer is 21. How many lines each stanza have? 5. Next question, rhyme scheme of the poem. Rhyme scheme of the poem is AB, A, B, B. Next question, where was Shelley born? Shelley born in Field Place. Next question, what is the length of a skylark? What is the length of a skylark? It is 18 centimeters. Next question, how long can a skylark roughly live? It can live roughly 9 years. Next question, Shelley was a student of which school in which he was expelled? The answer is Oxford. Where did Shelley settle and wrote best of his poetry? The answer is Sussex. Next question, P.B. Shelley was born in 1792. Next question, Shelley's first publication was? The answer is Zaztosi. Next question, which season is related to the poem? The answer is spring season. Next one, the fifth line of each stanza is in iambic hexameter. And iambic hexameter is also known as Alexandrine. Another name of iambic hexameter is Alexandrine. Next question, Shelley's first major poem was Queen Mab. Next question, who accompanied Shelley to write the pamphlet named The Necessity of Atheism? The answer is Thomas Jefferson Hogg. Next question, whom does the poet mention as blithe spirit? The answer is the bird. Here the bird is skylark. Next question, Shelley's wife is best known for which work? The answer is Frankenstein. Next question, what does the speaker appeared to envy over the skylark? The answer is the freedom the bird has. Next question, during the poem, Shelley begins using what literary device for 5 straight stanzas? The answer is metaphor. For which magazine did P.B. Shelley write magazine? The answer is The Examiner. Next question. How did P.B. Shelley die? P.B. Shelley died by drowning. Next question. The first 4 lines in each stanza of Ode to a Skylark are in. The answer is trochaic trimeter. And the 5th line is in iambic hexameter. We have already discussed it. Iambic hexameter is also known as Alexandrine. Next question. The skylark fly in the sky like a? The answer is cloud of fire. Next question. Who is hidden away in a tower in his poem? The answer is a maiden. Next question. Total how many lines are there? The answer is 105. Next question. Where does the speaker imagine the glowworm is living? The answer is in a dwell of dew. Thank you friends for watching my videos. If you find it helpful, please share it among your friends. Thank you.